Hi, welcome to Fibre Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I'm gonna clean my studio today. It's a wreck, it's embarrassing. I'll show you some footage of it, and then we're gonna do an unboxing. So, hi, it's the 29th, and I wanted to show you guys the state of my studio. It is awful right now. It's just awful. Look at what a mess. I'm sorry, the light's not on, but you can still see. Look at what a mess I'm dealing with. So today I'm gonna clean my studio so that I do not start 2024 with a mess like this. I felt like that was like a smart way to start the year, with a clean, tidy studio. I have, I don't know, let's see if you can see it. Way on that table. Sorry, let me zoom in. Okay, see right here, there on that table, there is finished yarn that I need to hang, and gotta zoom back out. Right on this table, there are 2 more finished yarns that need hanging. There's so much stuff I need to do in here. So I'm gonna first, oh, and also, you can hardly even see it, I blocked the sweater, and I'm gonna put the buttons on today. But first, I'm gonna take an hour and just like clean up the mess in the studio, because it's intense and it's making me feel like I don't want to hang out in here, and that is not good for people who have a Fibre channel who don't want to hang out in their Fibre studio. And like, look at all this. I've just been so sick. I have not been to the post office until today, and I went today, and people are sending me stuff that I need to open. One of these things, I don't know what it is. The other ones I knew that they were coming, but like I don't know what's in the box. They're gifts, surprises, whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna do a full unboxing video. So if you love me, stick with me, because this mess is going away, and I will see you guys in about an hour. Thank you, Kate. I know a lot of you guys probably don't know this, but when people send me stuff like letters and cards and gifts that come with cards and things, I save them all. They're in a folder. I figured when I'm like 85 years old, 90 years old, I'm gonna want to look back at this. So I save it all. I'm gonna quick show you what kind of progress we made. I did put some stuff over by my sewing machine that needs sewing, and also I have a stack of stuff that needs buttons, which hopefully will happen tonight, but I'm gonna show you how much better it is. All right, I just cleaned the table off pretty much. We're gonna use this, so I need it. But like, check out over here, it's much cleaner. Things are put away, much better. Probably doesn't seem like it to you guys because I have so much stuff in here, it's crazy, but there is a plan in 2024 to get things even a little more organized. This is a big improvement, so let's open this stuff. So number 1, I'm gonna do it in the order things got here because it just makes sense to me. This last thing just got here today. I cannot open it until I can buy one more thing to go with it, and then I'll buy it and I'll show you guys everything with this. I'm pretty excited about this one. I know a lot of you guys will have gotten Fibre Christmas gifts, so tell me, or holiday gifts, whatever you give gifts or get gifts for. If you got a Fibre thing that you're particularly excited about, let me know what it is. I want to hear. This first thing I need to open is from Xander at Xander's Cottage, and I sent him my Spinolution wheel. Some of you guys will remember I had a wheel that I just never could make friends with. She was used when I bought her. She had a life before I bought her, let's put it that way. And I never could really like fall in love with her. Her name was Lucy. And he promised to love her, so I sent him. I sent her. I did not sell her, I just sent her because I didn't feel comfortable selling her with the problems that she had. Got it and actually fixed Lucy, but he sent me something to thank me. So, he did talk to me about it before. He's got like a seal for his shop. He's got a really awesome shop. And I actually spun some wool that I bought from his shop already. He sells hand spun yarn, but also like blended top. There we go. And it's super sparkly, silver sparkles, very Ailsa. I love. I can't wait to make myself a hat with it. Maybe mittens if I have enough. He has a seal for his shop. I will link his shop below. And then he sent me some stickers. So if you know me, you know this is me. I'm fine, everything's fine. That one. Then this one says the dopamine made me do it. You guys, I'm using these. There's this one that says I made art today and I didn't even cry. I don't know if this one will go into focus or not. I made art today and I didn't even cry. Sorry, my ring light. And then this one is his logo for his shop. They're all sparkly. And it just says, Trish, thank you for your love and support. Hope you enjoy working with the bamboo. Much love, Xander. So we had talked about bamboo, about me dyeing it, because I feel like I've had a lot of success dyeing it. Look at, he sent me this whole box of bamboo for bats and stuff. So, oh, wow. So we'll be doing some super fun stuff with this. I mean, there's like orange. I consider this like a poppy, golden poppy color, lavender, silver, kind of corally pink, green, a couple greens. So there's a bunch of colors in here. We're gonna have fun with this box of bamboo, adding it to bats. Thank you, Xander. I appreciate it so much. In fact, I'll make you a bat and send it. So that's awesome. And then I don't know what this is. He did send me another package like around Christmas time. I was, like I said, I was sick. I know a lot of you guys know, but some people who see this will be their first video. So they won't know that we were sick and I did like nothing. All of December almost. I'm just getting back to it. Like yesterday I put the Christmas decorations away. My old camera was, I've told you guys a while ago, it has been on the struggle bus. It went off without any warning. So I lost a little bit of footage. I'm just reshooting it the best I can. The second box was more bamboo from Xander. I knew it was from him, but I didn't know what was in it, and it was more bamboo. I've forgotten that he had said, hey, I found more later on. So we're going to have a lot of fun with this. This Friday, we are going to have a little giveaway, and also I'm going to make bats live on YouTube. Come back and see me, and there, like I said, there will be a giveaway. I'm not going to announce the winners on Friday, but I'm going to announce the rules of the giveaway. So that's what was in the box that I'm opening when my camera went off. So fun. The other part of the footage that I lost was opening up this box from Bright Fibre UK. I have all of the, like, going through what's in here. I just don't have the opening up part. Her name is Ailsa, and she has gone absolutely wild on TikTok. She makes bats live, but she also puts these subscription boxes together. She is in the UK, but you can get them internationally, so don't let that stop you if you're into it. I have already seen what's in here because I'm reshooting this part, and you guys are going to be into it, I feel. I stumbled across her on TikTok and was watching her make bats and mentioned something, and she was like, oh my gosh, I know you. So she asked if she could send me this box, and I was like, I would love it. It would be, you know, it's an honor when people want to do something like that and work with you a little bit. She sent me this. This is her November subscription box for 2023, but as far as I understand it, she does this every month. So let's open it up. The last thing I lost was that this cute sticker is on here. It said, I'm gonna let you read it. Isn't that cute? This is our our information about what's in here. It says, dear Fibre artists, we're thrilled to have you as part of our creative community for the 4th month. So this is only the 4th month. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. What? Okay, so Northern Lights colorway. I think that must be, gosh, I don't know. I'm thinking it must be this because it's got the sparkle. Oh wow, there's a lot of fiber in here. Holy cow. Look at, isn't that gorgeous? I hope you can really see it well with the ring light. Maybe I should even, no, I got a lot of light in here. Absolutely, wait, she's got it marked. This is the Northern Lights, yes, okay, that's what I thought. Gorgeous. Holy cow. Is this a bat? Ailsa, did you make this? This is a bat. She blended this. This is insane. Oh my God. I love it. Okay. Beautiful. That's gonna be fun to spin. Now this one's the Aurora colorway. There is a tag. I love that these are tagged. Thank you. And these are each 100 grams. So if you're in the US, that's about 4 ounces, getting pretty close. Sorry, John's coughing upstairs. So this one's like all greens. Look how gorgeous that Aurora colorway is. If you like greens, and I've got a couple of you green lovers in here, you know who you are. This one's really pretty. Breed Study Fiber. So this is 18.5 micron merino blended with mulberry silk top. Oh, this is a fave. There's an enclosed breed study worksheet. That's really nice. How fun is that? I don't know if you guys remember, but when we did the breed study here, I had a worksheet that I used to just keep track of how I enjoyed spinning fibers, like what stood out to me, the things that I wanted to make sure I remembered about each of them. So look at that. That is 50 grams, really pretty. You can see the silk shining in there. Gorgeous. Holy cow, this is like a really fancy package. So also she sent number 4 is an unusual fiber. So this is a lotus fiber. Discover the magic of lotus fiber, rare and sustainable. And it is very silky. It says it's known for its silky. Wow. Dive into its unique properties. I can't, this is so much like silk. I don't think I would have known. I mean, of course the burn test would tell you, but I would definitely have thought this was silk. Wow, thank you. So we also got 50 grams of this. So this is now roughly, let's see, 10 ounces, roughly. Because 50 grams is about 2 ounces. I think it's just a hair under 2 ounces. Holy crap. This is so much fiber. And then we got, oh my gosh, enjoy the added bonus of a selection of crochet hooks. So this is like a whole set, I think, of crochet hooks. Wow, that come with this, you know, the type. I've been wanting to try putting my own handles on some of these, so I may do that with these. Thank you. How fun is that? And then crochet hook and Northern Lights pendant necklace.